steals a bag of chips from a shop and runs away. The shopkeeper chases the cat to hit her, but the cat escapes. She did all this for her hungry kittens, but chips don't really fill their stomachs. So, when the cat steals again, the whole village starts chasing her. To escape from the villagers, the cat runs away to another village. In the new village, the cat and her kittens are crying from hunger on the roadside. Just then, a kind grandmother sees them, picks them all up and takes them home. She feeds the cats delicious fish. One day, the grandmother falls ill, and all the cats start crying. Then, you didn't even like and subscribe.